I don't know when that last video stopped, but this is Fort Worden, May 23rd, Sunday. Somehow I stopped the last one. I don't know if you saw that, but that one's from Texas. And I says they make them big in Texas. So many people selling and going on the road. Other people have, homes and just go on the road. But the thing is that, you figure most houses now around $1 million. But even if it's like 400,000, you still have to pay taxes. And anyway, it's just a viable free option. Living on the road. Wow, they smell so good. They smell like lilac. How interesting. They're very similar. They're very sweet. Such a beautiful time of year. Isn't that dog cute? It's funny. Sometimes I stop and help people with tents, to make their tents. This couple, actually it was two women. I say older women, but how long can you say that, right? I'm 50 now. Anyway, they were, let's see, I think we'll go up here. They were from Eureka, California. And they were trying to set up 2 tents, and they were really struggling. So I went over and helped them. That was last summer. Okay, going up here to the bunkers. All the little ants. Busy, busy. You guys like my new hat? Aldridge is back in business. I've been there for a while, but I hadn't been in. See how the Oregon grape is just bigger here than Montana? Okay. Sometime I want to sing in the bunkers. Remember when I came over for the first time with Leanne and she sang, oh, that's a good song. I should sing that song on Shmuel. It's Skylight or, no, Skylark or something. It's really good. Look at that. That's a pretty one. I'm not sure what that plant is. Have to look that up. I know the rose hip, but I don't know these ones. They sure are neat looking. Alright. I know snowberry. I know false huckleberry. Look at that cute little rose. Rose hip. I know the infamous horsefly. See, they look like exotic trees from a distance, but they're Doug fir. See, the blackberry, they like to get you. Alright. I'm going to go up top, but I'm going to do it through the sand. So very, very pretty. Peekaboo. It's a cute little spot, huh? just love watching my feet. Come on, you know you love it. Would you rather watch my face? All right. We came from down there. This is the bunkers. It's like a cozy little spot to hang out down there. Now this is a nice little trail. It goes over to that parking there. But we're not gonna go there right now. Very, very pretty. I'm gonna get out on that water this year, I'll tell you. In what? I don't know. The docks haven't, they don't, I don't know if I get nauseated or not. I have to retest it. Look at, this is a picture of me taking a picture. Yes, I know I'm putting you upside down for a minute. Deal with it. Okay. We're actually going up here. I like to come up here and do my stretches. I lay down right there and I do my stretches, prayers, meditations. Isn't this pretty? Very pretty. Down under these bunkers is also where I seen that gal. I mean, I heard that gal sing an opera and it was so amazing. I thought it was a recording, and then I saw her and it just made me cry and cry. And then I visited with her, and she gives voice lessons, and her family, she was probably in her mid-50s, and her family does it, and she goes around to many of the, I was going to say ruins, but they are ruins, kind of, the bunkers, and brings life to them again, you know, by singing opera in them, and her brother does it too. Voices of the Past or something like that on YouTube. If you want to know, just email me. By now I'm sure you know my email. And yeah, she has an amazing voice. Rose hip, high in vitamin C. Which what I did in Montana is I did the leaves sometimes, but mostly did the berries. I think in the fall, the actual rose hip. Not like, you know, my hips. Or I think I'm funny. Oh, see, like, I guess they do. Like those right there, that's the hip. Might be a little blurry, but they're kind of like berries, but they're hard berries. Even as a kid, I remember doing that, and I remember chamomile, and then false chamomile, which is like pineapple. It's called pineapple something or other. Isn't that pretty? And we did dandelion tea. Mostly, my dad was into the garden, so we didn't really do, I think he sprayed stuff like that, but for some reason my mom was into rose hips, so we went and collected that. We definitely, being good Montana folks, went huckleberry picking every year. Yeah, I never liked huckleberries though. Later in life, maybe a little, now, I don't know. Just didn't really like them. I did like wild strawberry, wild raspberry, and then when I came here to Port Townsend, I learned about wild salmonberry, which is awesome. Didn't even know that existed. Stop staring at me. Seriously, turn the camera around. Whatever. And having recently seen Officer and a Gentleman, I just think that's so cool. It's funny, the whippersnappers, the young'uns, they climb up that. But I can't do that. I don't really prefer. I mean, I imagine I could if I was trying to get away from a coon, grizzly bear, or some sort of a flying whale. But, you know. Another beautiful day at Fort Worden. And then that goes back down to the parking lot. In case you didn't know, you know. Alright, which way is Crystal gonna go? We can't know for sure. Alright, she's decided. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful Port Townsend day. Okay. Now don't fall down, showing off, Crystal. Hey. We got some holly in there. Holly being very different than Oregon grape. Thimbleberry. Bracken fern. Fern and fern. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? The thimbleberries. Hazard. Okay. all a matter of what quality of life you want to live every day. What do you want to spend your day doing? You can choose. So many people think they don't have a choice. Every one of you have a choice. I think it's time to take my sweatshirt off. Get really warm. Oh, I love that, a fan in there. So cool. That's a cool gadget. Mind if I read it? Is this your truck?
No.
Oh, okay. I was just going to read that. I just wanted to make sure I wasn't intruding. Oh,
Dog, yeah.
oh, that's cool. It's for the dog. Fan and toys, and so people don't break the window.
Pretty quiet, yeah.
Yeah, all right. Have a good day. That's kind of neat because, you know, people think that dogs are too hot in the car, so they break windows. So that guy has a fan fixed to the car and a note letting people know that the dog's fine, he's got toys, he's got air, he's got water. That's funny. Hello. I thought it was that guy's car, so I was being respectful, and I thought maybe there was a dog, and I didn't want a dog to jump up and scare me. But I kind of wanted to read that sign. So anyway, there's that story. So pretty. All right, well, down here's a bench, and I'm going to let you guys look at the sky while I take my sweatshirt off. Isn't that a beautiful picture? Actually, let me take a picture of that picture. Because, you know, the colors change. It's like, it's definitely, as you know the beach to be, a ever-changing work of art. You know, like, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I can hear the sea lion. Hello. Little cutie pie. All right. Look at that shot. Gonna zoom in a bit. Isn't that a neat shot? Did you hear that baby talk to me? Babies do that, and they look right at me. They look at my aura. If they can jump out of their people's arms, sometimes they do that. Or I had in Florida several times, babies just run down the beach, their parents come after them. I think they can see my aura. You know, they know who I am, like on the other side of the veil or whatever. So pretty. Look at that beauty, right? And that beautiful shot. It's getting kind of warm out here. Yeah, I got 2 cameras going. Are you over it? You might want to get over it. That's kind of cool. It's like very steampunky. Well, this is your lovely walk at Fort Worden today, May 23rd. It's so funny, since I've been doing these, I actually know the date. Before, I was like, I don't know what date it is. I even know the day of the week. Wow. I don't know what to think of that. I do not intend to live in any apartment, so don't worry about that. Ooh, very pretty, very pretty. Okay. Well, you're going to look at the sky now. Or my face. This sweatshirt has got to come off. It's hot tamales out here. Not like Texas hot or like Arizona hot or Black Florida hot. Sorry guys. No, I'm not sorry. They're none of my places. If I'm going to have heat, it's going to be Hawaii heat, where I can actually get in the water and be cool. The water in Florida doesn't cool you down. It's too freaking hot. So there's that message from our sponsor, Crystal Rocks. Okay. Those people cute. It's funny sometimes when people are on dates and they take selfies of each other, right? So it's kind of just neat to take a selfie with a, anyway, never mind. Oh, I think that guy just said honeysuckles. Is that what these are? Honeysuckles? They smell so good. I would definitely buy that as the name of them. It's a sweet smell. It's lilac-y. Yeah, it does honey. It's very sweet. It's just, oh my gosh, just a wonderful, wonderful smell. I think, I've been hearing the sea lions. I wonder if they're out there today. I think they are. They have a distinct sound. I've always loved this spot. Always. It's an exotic shaped madrone. The way it's been trimmed over years. Oh, yes, definitely. Yeah, the sea lions are down there. Oh my God. I'm going to look up that frequency. Makes my heart, it's like a deep delta. Oh, I think that's out there. Actually, I hear him right out there. Happened last year too, and I'm like, oh, they're down there, they're either with their babies or whatever, and you can't, you don't want to disturb them, but also, I just couldn't figure out where they were sometimes. You just kind of hear them, but their sound is so, I feel it in my heart, They sound like, that's funny, I was going to say they sound like lions, hence the name sea lions. Just that guttural sort of hello. Hi, how are you? Good. Hi. It's a roar, like an inner roar. Anyway, go to YouTube and listen to some sea lions. I mean, better to come out here to Port Townsend, but if you can't. Alright, so this is my daily walk for years. Not the last year so much, in the last 10 months, because I've had my church and I've been there in the dust and noise of the highway and doing healings and doing whatever Spirit called me to do. And now I'm done with that. Forever. That part. I definitely will be getting another church. Just won't be on the highway in Hadlock. It's not a good fit for me. Okay. So much easier to walk on the pavement. See, I'll take you up there soon. If you know me, you've probably seen videos or pictures before, but I haven't had a camera that was really good enough to like do stuff like this, and now I do. The modern day phones have like 100 cameras. Well, this one's got 5. It's had a neat beach trail. And then we've come full circle. So see, I came down there and went that way. He came out down there and around here. And that's the bunkers I was on top of. It's a nice little walk. All right, well, God has blessed you. Who's ever watching this, I send you healing. I send you love and light and peace and all good things. My intention is for you to have perfect health, luck, lots of money, and love, unconditional love, and preciousness in every direction. God has blessed you. Bye for now.